Hello, so in this video what I have in front of me and which I am going to be discussing about is the Pledge Furniture Spray, Revitalizing Oil, clean, nourishes, and preserves, restores wood to a lasting shine with natural orange oil with the company S.G. Johnson, a family company. So how I heard about Pledge, the first time I heard about Pledge is my mom. I mean, hey, moms be knowing, but really back in the day, I remember that she had Pledge, but it didn't look like this. It looked like a can. And every time when she sprayed the can, it came out like a foamy consistency like. So it was nothing like this. I mean, it gave the furniture like a nice shine, but just how it sprayed, it was just completely different. Not saying it didn't give the same effect, but I just know, back in the day, things change, structures change, stuff like that. So the only time when I use it is when I am pretty much cleaning or when I feel like the wood furniture needs to be cleaned. Like I have some statues that are wood and I like to give it a nice shine. I use a toothbrush just for that. I don't use toothbrushes for everything. I just use it for that particular statue. And I spray a little bit on the toothbrush and just clean in the creases and the corners and stuff like that. That's really hard to get to. But other than that, I just spray on my wood furniture just to give it that nice shine. But I will say though, with Pledge, and I think with any like a oil material product to clean your furniture, I would say do not, and I repeat, do not spray so much, because it's going to leave streaks and everything. It's going to leave your furniture looking really oily and not having that shine evenly out. And I know me, when I was younger and I was kind of like cleaning or whatever, I had that problem. So I mean, there's things that you can do to prevent that. Like if you, for instance, have a dresser and you sprayed a good amount of oil on it or whatever, and it's giving it a nice shine, but it's not evened out. It kind of looks like it's a little overly greasy. I would say to kind of use a product that has maybe like a little water based in it, and that's definitely wood safe, and just spray that on instead of the oil, because you don't want to keep getting it oily. I know some people would like to use like a hot rag or a cloth, whatever, to kind of get the oil off. But definitely those two, I know that has worked for me. I've been using Pledge for a very long time. I've been using it for some years now. So yeah, I would say like over 5 years as well. And the smell has a very orange smell to it. Not necessarily orange that you eat, but you know it got cleaning products in it. But it has a very strong orange scent to it. So your furniture will have a nice citrus smell to it. The ingredients, I believe the ingredients is on. So the company, well, Pledge rather, it started in 1886. 131-year-old family company named by S.C. Johnson and Son. This was first sold in 1958, and Pledge is known as Bliss in France, Blim in Argentina, and several countries pronto. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So in different other countries, they don't even say the word Pledge. They use different stuff. Different names rather. So the bottle of this is 16 ounces. It's 1 pint, and it actually lasts for a long time. If you don't like eat, I was going to say scissor happy, if you don't be spray happy, it can actually last for a very long time. I really don't have any complaints with Pledge, knowing that I've been using this for a very long time. As far as wood furniture is concerned, I do use another wooden product but I mostly use that for floors. But when you're talking about spraying like my furniture, as far as like cabinets or dressers or drawers and furniture like TV stands and stuff like that, I use this. If I'm just doing something really quick just to make sure things are like clean, of course I'll like have a duster and kind of like dust it off. But when I want that shine to come back, or when I feel like the shine needs to come back, or it's not there, or it's a little dull, yes, this is what I use. Pledge. No complaints at all. So again, this is the Pledge Revitalizing Oil from the S.C. Johnson, a family company, and with natural orange oil.